Yeah, guys, today me and my cousin is going to be playing Plants vs Brain Rots, and I am going to be helping her. Yeah, and if you want cool brain rots, like she's about to be cool brain rots, like, subscribe, and put your username in the comments. Yeah, let's get started with this video. Yeah, guys, so yeah, Vienzane is going to be playing, and okay, if you guys don't believe me and think I wanna scam you guys and just make you guys like and subscribe, nah, I'm not doing it. We're not doing it today. We are gonna be giving. I will actually give you guys free brand. My inventory is full, and I won't sell none of them. Let me just show you guys real quick. Oh my days, bro. Okay, there she joins. You see, it says my inventory is full. So let's go ahead and give the nice some cool brain rots. If you guys don't believe me, look at all the. Oh God, I hate that. Look at all my secrets. Look. Nah, don't worry about the lame, boring ones. Just look at all my god secrets. I will give you
Played this game before.
Yep, played this game a lot of times. I'm basically a pro.
I haven't.
Okay, if you want to become a pro, just wait.
Oh, I can see where you are.
Yeah, guys, I'm about to be giving the nation for brain rots. Don't worry, I'm not gonna give her all the brain rots. I will give her some good ones.
Okay, your thing looks good.
Or maybe I should give it this, and I'll give you guys even better. You guys have to subscribe like Zanay did, so yeah. You have to subscribe like she did. You have to finish your tutorial. Yeah, because this is the first time playing. She's not really old in this game, but she doesn't play a lot. Yeah. So basically, what I have to say is, oh, good, I make 9 million per second. So I basically just wanna help everyone that needs help. And if you just subscribe for
Can
no
I buy
reason,
something?
and I see you have good brain rots, I am not going to help you, because that is just not right what you do. If you just, because I'm doing this for the people that need help. I'm just joking, guys. I will do it if you have or don't have.
How do I buy something?
Where is, I can't see your shop, like what?
Yeah, I'm right here.
Player needs to finish the tutorial before you can give.
And it says go buy your first
Plant. Yeah, you must go buy your first plant.
but I don't know where.
By the plant shop. And you just,
Where's the plant shop?
don't you see a plant shop there?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
From him. There's one that says Sian and there's one that says plant shop.
Okay, I have 400 Rand. I'm gonna buy this.
I'm gonna have to make a reach in a few seconds. Even though this is not that good, it's a boss. It gives you at least 9k per second. And this gives you 600 per second. Nah. Okay, let's do this, guys. I will give you guys a secret and a boss. Okay, I'm just gonna give it this. Okay, yeah, let's do that. And Yeah, secret and a boss for everyone. Tonight did you leave?
No.
Oh,
I'm joining again because my Wi-Fi went off. So I had to reconnect it. God. I bought something.
there you go, tonight. Finish your tutorial. Just plant your seeds on the grass.
Yeah, now I'm gonna buy me another seed.
Stop flying like Superman. And start walking. No. Last job, Sito.
Okay, I planted my first seed.
Okay, now I can gift you. Nope, we still didn't finish your tutorial. Now your brain rots are gonna start coming out and then you can just put them down. We have to finish your tutorial, then I can help you. You need to make 100 grand like right now. And let me see what boss is gonna spot.
Like I said, I don't know how to play this game, so
Yeah, I'm going to be teaching you. I have to teach you how to play, guys. I know that I can give you guys these downloads that I like.
I had literally $500 and then what's the name?
But nah, I have to keep for myself son. Bro, how can I still see my brain? Guys, let's see what this guy's gonna do. Like and no. Oh, good.
Where do I put some of my brain rots?
You put it there where the brain rot stuff is. Where is it?
Where?
How? What? You guys literally saw me typing. Oh my days, bro. I don't understand what's going on with Roblox nowadays.
I needed 200 rand, don't yes?
You have already 600 rand. Buy more spice for more brain rots. Because I'm gonna give you some secrets and make. No, come back to your base.
Wait, no, I almost said where's all of your brain rots? How do I plant my brain rots? Oh, what? Do whatever.
How do you place your brain rots?
Yeah, whatever.
Like you done with the trippy troppy.
But there's no other spaces there.
Oh, what that spawned in by me? Wait, quickly a boss that spawned in now. I don't really care. Because my muscles, yeah, it's gonna get defeated in 10 seconds. Bro, let me help you out. First of all, I'm going to be teaching you how to put that. Basically, it's like just easy. Nope, not ready la. Let me go. Oh, my bombardilo crocodilo. It's fine, just come here. Grab money from the strippy trophy.
Wait, I need to plant this.
Trophy. Tung 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 tung. Sahu tapi suruh din mari now come here.
Must I pick it up?
Yeah, pick it up. Now come here. Now bite it. Now put more bread. Put the trophy again down. Trophy. Yeah.
You're standing in my way.
Sorry.
Oh,
Okay, now
damn.
try to put this down. This is a boss. You must never sell this until you get better brain roots.
Okay.
Now put it down here. Okay, that will make you enough money in 10 seconds. And now buy more platform. Pick up this money first. Oh, that pick up. Oh, here you go. Oh my bombardilo. Before you put it here down. I will be helping you to get more pets. Oh, flying around. Where you now, Zanai? Oh, yeah, you
Yeah, I'm right here.
have another brain rot. And yeah, there you go, guys. You see, I give you guys secret, and of course, you guys like and subscribe. Just like that. And for now, I'm only going to be giving Snake godlies because I always get godlies. So basically, I will have enough for you guys because my inventory is too full and
How does my base look like that?
How do you want your base to look like?
No, my brain rocks. Some of my brain rocks look so weird.
What do you mean? Look. You can literally now come using. You must. Okay, wait for this one to get 1 million. Wait for that one to get 1 million. And this one must get also 1 million. The secret and your boss must get 1 million. But since you already pick up the money, you can come here and buy more platforms. And I'm going to be giving you the worst brain rot that people wouldn't want. I will get more brain rots like this, guys. I'm not saying these are bad. I'm not saying these are good. I'm just yapping. Nah, this makes kinda. I mean, it doesn't make 1,000. And the material makes enough. Boy, like and subscribe.
1.8 million.
I'm gonna tell you guys to like and sub to my channel for good. Sub to my channel. Yeah, now go home, boy. Yeah. Take this. Not you, boy. Choose try me. I will give you 10 snakes. Let's make you, boy. Let's make you. No. Give him a 3.
Oh, my bad. I put the wrong one.
Give him this one. This one over here. Give him this one.
There's elephant here.
Yeah.